during my summer, I was deployed on a project. It was an ongoing case, a healthcare player in India. Figured out, okay, this is the reason that your sales are lagging, and this is the potential way, that is the recommendation.
Say Meglani
Yeah.
invested 10 million pounds into you. Can you set up a health tech company in India?
No, no.
Why not?
Now consulting is also changing as an industry. Consultants have to get their hands dirty a lot more often than you would think. You're a big organization. You have 20 departments running, so many projects. You cannot hire every department new people and bring fresh thinking and implement it, right?
How could the company not have the managerial talent to deliver this internally?
कंसल्टेंट का मतलब है कि इसको ना ज्ञान देना बहुत आता है, खुद करना कुछ नहीं आता।
And what was BCG summers like? Summer make did they make you work? Did they give you a lot of free time?
Free time is not equal to consulting. I don't know how you're saying free time is consulting. Definitely not. I was deployed during my summer. I was deployed on a project. It was an ongoing case for a healthcare player in India. I was based out of Bombay, and it was very intense actually. I was actually doing modules, and I was not like intern. I was actually the kind of doing the senior associate or consultant work that they
So
were
now you
doing.
understand healthcare in India. Do you understand healthcare in India? You always wanted to be an entrepreneur. Say Meglani
Yeah.
invested 10 million pounds into you. Can you set up a health tech company in India?
No.
Why
No.
not?
So I think it
यार
was
वो
too
एक्स कंसल्टेंट है, which venture capital partner invests in a consultant? Do you know why? I'm an ex consultant. कंसल्टेंट का मतलब है कि इसको ना ज्ञान देना बहुत आता है, खुद करना कुछ नहीं आता। Unless
okay.
they've got their hands dirty doing something of their own.
Yeah.
वो अगर
Yeah.
ज्ञान तो कोई भी आजकल दे देता है यार। So nothing against consultants. They are good, in my opinion. They are good at what they do. But even the top consultant in the world is not backable as an entrepreneur unless they have something else to prove for it.
Now consulting is also changing as an industry. Consultants have to get their hands dirty a lot more often than you would think. Okay, so it's not a lot about ppts anymore. It is a part of it, but they also have to do the grunt work. They have to be on site, see what businesses do, some of it actually implement it, been on implementation side of things as well.
Give me an example of that you were on the implementation side, and what do you mean by being on the implementation?
Yeah, so I'll give you an example of this project itself. In my summer internship, it was a case that we were doing. It was a Salesforce acceleration case. Basically, we had to increase sales, okay, for this particular healthcare player. And our goal was a set number. We had to reach that number, and the number's liability was on the consulting firm, that okay, we have promised that your sales will increase by x percentage, and it was tracked every month on month. It was a long project. I joined in the middle of the project, and we had to meet that number target, okay, and it was our responsibility that their team delivered sales.
Did you have a marketing budget? Were you making decisions about what commercials to do or what Google
Okay.
advertising to spend money on?
No, this was not Google advertising or anything, okay. This was basically a healthcare company.
So
So
they were making medicine. They were making
yes,
tablets. And
yes,
your
yes,
goal
they
was to
made,
increase the sale of tablets.
correct, and
So
our
get
goal was to
India more
increase.
sick. Like, how do you
Yes,
increase the
yes.
sale of tablets?
They'd figured out, okay, this is the reason that your sales are lagging, and this is the potential way, that is the recommendation basically, okay, that
So
how
what was the
you.
recommendation? इतनी बड़ी-बड़ी बातें मत किया करो. That's my first problem with consultants. अभी तक तो entrepreneur को लग रहा है यार कि एक हर मिनट का वैल्यू है. There are 10 burning fires और ये consultant कहानी सुनाया जा रहा है मेरे को. What was the recommendation? How did you implement it?
टू थिंग्स दैट वी फाउंड, एक कि जो एमआरस है बेसिकली, जो सेल कर रहे हैं मेडिकल रेप्स, ठीक है, दे वर नॉट डूइंग देयर बेस्ट जॉब, और उनका जॉब एनहांस करने के लिए कि हाउ दे कुड डू अ बेटर जॉब, उसको हमने दो पार्ट्स में रीडिजाइन किया था. फर्स्ट इज द टेक टूल किट. तो उनकी जो पूरी टेक टूल किट थी, उसमें कोई ट्रैकिंग मैकेनिज्म ही नहीं था कंपनी का. इट वाज वेरी मैनुअल, एंड उसमें हमने सिस्टम सेट किए थे जो वर्ल्ड फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनीज के बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस थे, वो हमने लाइव इम्प्लीमेंट किया था। उनकी ऐप डेवलप करना, कि आप कैसे ऐप में डालोगे, उसका ट्रेनिंग करना, ठीक है। एंड सेकेंड फेज वॉज इंसेंटिवाइजिंग, बेसिकली कि आप ये सब जब कर लोगे तो आप कैसे, आपका स्ट्रक्चर वर्क करेगा, विच इज़ अ वेरी कोर सेल्स थिंग, राइट, कि आपका इंसेंटिव स्ट्रक्चर बनाना। सो ये क्यूमुलेटिवली उनका टेक पार्ट, ठीक है, टेक पार्ट, प्रोसेस पार्ट एंड इंसेंटिव पार्ट को कंबाइन करके उनके एमआरस को रिट्रेन करना इन अ वे कि हाँ, ये सब के साथ आपको इंक्रीज करनी है सेल्स।
What was it about this that the manager working in this company couldn't have done? ये तो बहुत बेसिक चीज है कि पहले ट्रैकिंग करो फिर उसको इंसेंटिवाइज करो। तो इसमें
ट्रू।
what value did the consultant add? मैंने how could the company not have the managerial talent to deliver this internally?
यू नो, दिस अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन। मैं जब पहले गई ना, मैंने खुद यही सोचा कि इसके लिए हमारी क्या ज़रूरत है। ओके,
Exactly.
ये तो आप
हाँ,
खुद भी कर सकते हो। बट आई टेल यू फ्यू थिंग्स दैट आई ऑब्जर्व्ड इन द कंसल्टिंग इंडस्ट्री ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, दैट आई हैव सीन अक्रॉस द क्लाइंट्स, इट्स अ कॉमन पैटर्न। फर्स्ट, internally, overall there is not a lot of incentive given to most people to implement things. In the companies it is, there are not a lot of consultants hired. For example, पीएनजी कंसल्टेंट्स हायर ही नहीं करता, उसकी खुद की इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग टीम इतनी स्ट्रांग है, इनसाइट्स टीम है, इसीलिए वो कंसल्टेंट्स हायर नहीं करते, ठीक है। एंड देर आर फ्यू कंपनीज लाइक दिस जो कंसल्टेंट्स नहीं हायर करते, क्योंकि उनकी इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग टीम्स डू दैट जॉब एंड दे हैव वेरी स्ट्रांग मैकेनिज्म्स टू put them, empower them. Most companies don't. Imagine you're working in a startup, right? So you have very direct access to a lot of employees as a founder. It's an agile organization. But legacy organizations, big organization, to reach the top and tell them, बॉस ये गलत हो रहा है इधर, उनका अटेंशन सीख करने में इतने ब्यूरोक्रेटिक प्रोसेस होते हैं कि वो सुनते नहीं है। एंड टॉप मैनेजमेंट लिसन्स टू टॉप पीपल। So
yes.
consulting firms bring that top angle from different companies. Okay, boss, your competitors are doing this. This is happening in the world. So if you want to go there, आप ये
Well,
करो, क्योंकि उनके पास
Chika, it's about getting the attention of this top guy, or because he's not going to listen to his own manager because यार वो तो मेरा manager है उसके लिए क्या time, but he's going to pay to someone who's paid him 50 lakhs का check लिखा है तो अब इससे तो बात करनी पड़ेगी. So he listens to him, he tells him a very logical माने thing, and then that gets implemented. So some of that is happening here, that who can get whose time at the end of the day.
That's one. And number two is something that I also believe, that where consultants add value is, see, when you are an employee in an organization, for example, I'm working for one specific shoe company in US. Okay, now I know systems, processes, what is
Exactly,
happening in my
exactly.
department.
Exactly.
I do
Best
not have a
practices
very,
across competitors, industries, and so on. So consultants do bring that, no doubt.
no, and it's about perspective, right? In the sense, not just this perspective that you're very tunnel visioned, you're working for one
Yes,
company, you know
yes,
everything about them, you're thinking like them, you're not
yes.
thinking different. Now suddenly, see, you are the founder, you want some fresh thinking. You cannot always hire new people, right, to bring full fresh thinking. You're a big organization, you have 20 departments running, so many projects, you cannot hire every department new people and bring fresh thinking and implement it, right? So there, this experience helps.
So yeah, they do bring in fresh thinking. Well said. There's this whole idea about fresh thinking across different organizations. What are the best practices, and also who can get whose time within an organization.
It's expertise, right? At the end of the day, see, you will back an entrepreneur who's gotten their hands dirty. You will get a consultant who has experience in your particular domain, like for many many years. They have a big body of knowledge, right? So that body of knowledge is acquired over decades now, right, for some big firms. So that body of knowledge is something that you pay for eventually. You're not paying for anything fancy, you're just paying for what knowledge this person and this team and this name and brand is going to bring to the table.